Well, good morning. This is Alan at the end of the day, really. Hasn't been a good day today, and you'll see why. So, here we go. Pirate camping, look. I was here. These two vans turned up last night. This one is a Brit, and he didn't even come and say hello. It's a couple. They didn't even come and say hello. And the Germans parked in the middle of the bloody road. Yeah, I get upset with newbie campers. That's not good. The Brits that were in front of this one slept at a strange angle like this all night. How do you do that? I don't know. Anyway. Looks like there was a bit of a party held in this van last night. What a mess. I've got to clear up before I do anything. And the weather is a bit overcast, but sun is out. But it's not that warm out there. It's just really windy. So I think I'm going to move on now. Yeah, I got my cup of tea. That's all I care about for the moment. Apparently this place come to a stop a few years ago because of incorrect planning, whatever you call it. Oh dear, planning regulations, I don't know. So it's just been stuck in this half-built state for many years, and I expect they need some dynamite to get rid of that. Hotel no. Don't blame. Look at the state of this place. I know pirate camping and private off-road wild camping is not everybody's cup of tea. I would commit suicide if I had to come to a place like this. Stop through planning permission, big legal argument going on apparently. I just had to come and have a look. It just looks like hell in concrete. Anyway, a nice little beach here though. Nice beach here. And that's the van way up there on the headland. One thing I haven't seen is any surfing going on. Or is this the wrong kind of beach, wrong kind of waves? I don't know. It'd be good enough in the UK, I'm sure. Oh well, I'll have my little walk, my little bit of exercise. Now I think it's time to move on down the road. This camp here was quite brave parking on the beach, but this is where only having front wheel drive gets you into trouble. He's not looking very happy. Let's see what happens. Second attempt. Second attempt. Bit punishing on the old clutch. Whoops, I wasn't even watching the screen there. He's doing alright. Not very good on the clutch. Let's give that clutch some stick. I reckon he's done it. Yeah, he's got it, I reckon. Whoops. Saying that, I've got to get over this muck. Because the Germans have parked in front of me on the goods road. Never mind. Let's give her a go. Of all the parking places, have to park on the smooth road that gets you out of here. Never mind. Newbies, I gather. Before I go, I'm going to have a nice cup of tea, some Anglo biscuits, digestives, and look at this, Vera and Philippe, they're still going, about half a packet left. So I'm after this, then I'm up the road. I don't know. Good, the neighbours have gone, so we can go now. I wonder if they have seals and things here, because there's two things in the water. I don't think it's people, but there's two somethings in the water swimming along, so interesting. Yeah, this is the best way out. It's less bumpy than the other way. That German bus hasn't moved at all. Anyway, catch you on the road in a minute. The little town of Carboneras. It's got anything to do with coal, I wouldn't have thought. Carboneras. Let's go and find a supermarket, if possible. Supermarket done. Now it's got to find somewhere to park up again. More hills, oh no! Oh no, I can see the road going way up there. Oh, have I made a mistake? Oh, it's one of those hills. Hilltop village here with abandoned houses. Yeah, I don't know what they're growing in the trees here. I think it might be olives again, but yeah, very weird place. Dry. See what else we can find. I know I must be getting up some altitude here. My ears have just gone pop. National road, a bigger road, better than that coast road. I gather that's the old road going up there. Look. Anyhow, more plastic polytunnels. Crikey. Now onto the motorway. Another free motorway. So looks like Almeria will be coming up soon. And hopefully a return to the coast, because I can't see the sea and I can see for miles. Almeria, 50 kilometres, so 30 miles. Neha 15, so let's see what we find. Another valley completely full with polytunnels. This is bonkers. Take a look at that, for as far as the eye can see, polytunnels. Wow, I've never seen anything like it in my life. Look at that, one sea of plastic. And I think I can see the sea, but it's a long way away. Wow. I can see the sea in the very far distance, but all I can see is a sea of polytunnels. This isn't right for, there's something very wrong about all this. Just because we want our tomatoes in the middle of winter, the poor earth has to put up with all this. It's ugly, it really is ugly. First sign for Malaga, 243, so what's that, 120, about 140 miles, that's all. So I'm really getting down the south now. I'm going to come off the motorway very soon and see if I can find some more seaside. Bye bye Almeria. Hello coastal road. Hope we can find something. Here we go. Motorway up there. we're slipping through this big rock. How cool is that? What do you think about all these plastic greenhouses? Just mile after mile after mile of polytunnels. Bloody awful. There must be another way. You might be fooled that all that twinkling up the road there is the sea. It isn't. It's polytunnels. There we go. Flash, flash. Don't bother. I can't get out of Polytunnel City. I'm trying to get to the seafront and it's just polytunnels, polytunnels, polytunnels. I just don't believe it. Well, I don't know if I can keep the wind off this microphone, but I made my way down the coast. I can't believe the amount of plastic. It's all up there on the hills. And as soon as I come into the town, wherever you go, no parking for camping cars. So I'm over there, look. Bloody nuisance. Apparently they're doing it in the UK now. I've just talked to my mate and he said there's DLC front that's got no overnight parking for campers all the way down it, so something's got to be done. Bloody councillors should bang on their door at midnight. Oh no, look at this. Not a very clean place. My best bet is to pull the curtains down and pretend nobody's in. I don't know. I'm sorry about moaning today. It's just one of those days. But I have just caught a lovely sunset where the sun goes into the sea and gets extinguished. Yeah, you watch this. This is not an event you see every day of your life. I love sunrises and sunsets, but you watch this. Here she goes. She's going to the sea. She's gone. She's gone. What about that? Oh.
Very difficult to show you.
Oh, is it a worn out frog?
Yeah, basically, yeah. And the points.
How long can you get out of a set of points then, Alan?
Oh, if you're running them every day, 3, 4 years, 5 years.
Okay, it's not bad, is it really? Because, you know, one train by 15 something else. It's almost a square. But, wow. You know, I can spend hours up there and I look at the time, that it's not that time already, is it? You find you can just wait. We've got the nuclear flask train here. Direct rail services. And there's even a 37 on the other end, so double heading. I think this is a Deltic. Look at that. And yet on the same line, this is the thing that confuses me about DC. We've got another class 37 with a tanker train. By the way, this is Alan Whitmore's layout. What else we got? Yeah, it's so busy. Another Deltic, I think. Some lovely carriages. They're quite short, those carriages. I would have said that was a class 20, but I don't know my numbers very well. I like the way you've got all loads in these wagons. It does make a difference. Let's watch this one go by. Kind of a mixed spray. Oh, look at all those wheels in there. Wow. Pipes, tractors, JCBs. Let's have a look at Alan's sidings, because there's some interesting bits and bobs in here. So these are 66s, I think, or some people call them sheds. I've caught a couple actually working for real on my trip. But look at that for a full siding. Containers, bulkies, wagons. And is this the
breakdown?
yeah, is that the testing carriages?
Yeah,
is it the rail?
Laboratory.
Oh right, yeah.
And that's a maintenance room.
Right.
That's a kit. But
That's a kit, this one?
No. That's their tools in there.
Oh,
so,
I see, yeah, their tool wagon.
Yeah. But that's a
utility van.
It's a luggage van.
Yeah.
It's Winston Churchill's funeral wagon.
Oh, wow. Excellent. And look at these for cars, look. Look at that, an old 4-pot. Yeah, interesting.
Truck's a little bit dusty.
That's the trouble with tracks, isn't it?
Oh, hang on, we got a local.
Well, here I am at Mark Main Train, that's right, isn't it? Main Train Eastport, and well, I'm a Dover boy, and look, we got a ferry, and both me and Mark are from the heavy haulage game, so that's what's attracting me to this layout. Is not only can we talk about trucks for hours, we're also train nutcases, and what Mark's done here is fantastic. And I really love the burnt out single box, because it is an old Triang Rovex, isn't it?
Yeah.
It really is a part of my childhood, that. It looks so good. And the layout isn't as I imagined it.
Hang on. We just switched.
As I live in the southeast, well, Dover, these are the trains of my youth. These were slammy doors, open windows, you could catch the train, you know, and hang out the window. Because catching the train from Dover to Folkestone is quite, it is quite a voyage, especially if you could put your head out the window when you wanted to. What's that, a 47?
Yeah. Beautiful over there.
Well, thanks for watching. Been a beautiful sunset. So nice deep bloody red sky again tonight. I hope it's going to be nicer weather tomorrow. That's Alan out in the streets of Spain. Take care, good people. Thanks for watching. Sorry about my whinging and moaning, but you know, we have good and bad days, don't we? So that's Alan out in the van.